Hello everyone, I'm Keegan, this is Crazy Contraptions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini passenger jet using popsicle sticks and hot glue. Now this is very similar to another project I showed you, where I showed you how to make a mini fighter jet using popsicle sticks and hot glue. So if you haven't seen that project, you should definitely go check that out. Alright, let's get started. To start with, you're going to be needing 3 popsicle sticks. Next, cut all 3 popsicle sticks to look something like this. Now, use your hot glue gun to glue all 3 of the popsicle sticks together like this. When you're complete gluing them, it should look something like this. Now, put this piece you just made aside for now. Get out 2 more popsicle sticks and glue them together like this. I drew some lines on here to give you an idea of where to cut. These will be your wings. It should look something like this once it's done being cut. Now get out the piece we made earlier. Glue the wings pretty close to the front of your passenger jet. Once you're complete, it should look something like this. I went ahead and cut a piece to fit the front here, but don't put a piece on the back yet. I drew some lines on this popsicle stick to show how you need to cut it to make the back wings for your plane. When you're finished cutting, it should look something like this. Glue it here on the back of your plane like this. Now I went ahead and cut another piece to fit in between here. Now it should look something like this. Now cut 1 more popsicle stick to fit the top. Now glue it on. It should look like this once you glued it on. Now cut another popsicle stick to fit in the middle of the plane. Once you've done that, cut it 1 more time the long way. Once you're complete, it should look like this. Now glue it on. I went ahead and cut another piece to fit right here. Now we're almost done. We just need to make the fin for the back. I drew a line on this popsicle stick to show how to cut the fin. When you complete cutting it, it should look like this. Now glue the fin on the back right here. Now your passenger jet is complete. Now you know how to make a cool passenger jet using popsicle sticks and hot glue. Like I said earlier, if you haven't seen my video on how to make a mini fighter jet, you should definitely check that out. Alright, I'm Keegan, this is Crazy Contraptions. Goodbye!